Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If we're too dark, you can't see us, but we're gonna go in. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna go this far. Today we're gonna be showing you our fidget toys. Make sure you subscribe, turn notifications, which is the bell. Turn on the bell. And give this video big thumbs up. Right.
Lollipop face. And a lollipop face.
Who's going first?
Me.
Okay. Ooh, I just cracked my finger. Okay. What turn do you start with? Okay, so.
So guys, can you hold this for a second? I have this thing.
What?
So get your own. Just hold it.
Okay. Here is the video I'm gonna make next.
And look at this. Look.
It's called a mesh ball because you squeeze it and there's a little net on it. It's color changing. Hey. Okay, that is first show. It's now next is mine. 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay, we're just back. Okay, my turn to show. So this is a puppet.
Hey, they can't see my face.
Yeah, they can. So this is a puppet. So it is fun to play with, and you just pop these little plastic bubbles.
My turn.
Go somewhere by the light, not by the light. Oh. Okay, better, so you guys can see us. It's my seat now. Oh. No, that's my seat now. Yeah, it is. No, because that's yours. Okay, we just moved. We just moved to another. So, keep going. Okay, shot. Show something else. Go. Choose something to show.
So I have this fun monkey noodle.
It's called a monkey noodle. You could stretch it. You could that and make a sound in your ear. It sounds so nice, and you stretch it. Yes. Okay, here you go. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Here is my mesh ball. It's green and it turns into red. If you cut the net, it's like a needle.
Yeah.
Did you see my
Color
glasses?
changing needle.
No, I never see glasses. I never touched them.
So, same thing. Nice. Okay, your turn, Charlotte.
I have this Blinky, and it's very nice to play with because I really like it.
Wait, look.
And you can do this.
Yeah, can I show you them
And
something?
this.
Can I show them something?
Okay.
Or you guys can do.
Yeah. And it also turns into a rainbow. Look. You see that, guys?
Ooh. Wait, and also, let's show them. It can also make a smiley face.
Wait, I'm gonna stretch it long.
Okay. Okay.
Wait,
My turn. My turn.
Look at this.
Yeah. Ooh. Okay, my turn. Okay, so this is the dinosaur. Okay, you don't have to do it. Dinosaur. Okay, stop. Dinosaur Orbeez squishy, and you could take the Orbeez the squishy or the ball out. So you can take that out. Let me just.
Ew.
Uh-oh. Ew. You can take it out. And then here's the dinosaur without it. You could squeeze it or make it like a needle, something like that. Okay.
My turn.
Okay, let me put it back. Okay, go show yours while we're.
So guys, I have this cool basketball, and you can bounce it
and squish it.
I can't really squish it. You squish it.
Yeah, it's nice to squish.
And
that's it.
And you can also shoot it.
Okay, I don't really know what this is.
No, you said it to me earlier.
This? What is this? It's not a walkie track.
But you said it.
No. This is a walkie track. This one's a walkie track. Not this. So I don't really know what it's called, but it's just kind of. Wait, no, because I've never seen it. So I don't really know what this is called, but we'll call it the snake because it's long, right?
Yeah, but that's not fair. You have a purple snake and I don't.
What do you mean a purple snake?
Remember what you got from someone's birthday?
Oh, that one?
And that's not fair.
But you have like a blue snake.
What blue snake?
Right here, this is your blue snake. And it's fun to play with. I just want to say that. And Charlotte's turn.
So guys, I have this emoji.
That's a mochi. It's called a mochi.
Yeah, and it's super fun to play with.
They can't see it.
And they cannot. And you can stretch it like this. See, guys?
Wait, let them see the face. Here's the face. It's body.
It's bald.
Okay. Okay. My next one is I'm gonna show you. This is called a marble mesh. So there's a marble, and then you push it. Like, yeah, it's so cool. Or you could squeeze it like, ooh. Yes, they're marble. Ooh.
Okay, I don't even have that much stuff. That's not for you do, not me.
Well, it's the same. I don't know. Okay, Charlotte, your turn.
So I got this snake, and it's super cool. And it's also blue. It's light blue, and you can also turn it into something.
Okay, go put it on. My turn. I have this earth ball that you could squeeze.
Oh, okay. I might decide it's not. It sounds like foam.
I know, it is foam. Okay, your turn, Charlotte.
Wait, I'm here again.
Hurry. Go. Charlotte, your turn to show.
This.
A marble mesh?
Yeah. And this can go this way.
They can't hear you with your lollipop.
And this way.
She has a marble mesh. It's nice. Hey, squeeze it.
It looks like a candy.
I know, that's what I was going to say. Okay, my turn. So, this one is called a bicycle. It's a bike chain. I don't know why. So, yeah. That is a big chain. You could turn around. But once you have the hoops, you're going forward. Okay, Charlotte's turn.
So I got this monkey noodle, and it's so big. And
it's yellow. It's neon yellow.
Ooh!
Okay, put it down. Put it down. Okay, so here is my neon yellow monkey noodle. Stretchy. Come on.
My turn.
Go.
So So I have this, what is this called? A wacky track? So I have this wacky track, and it does cool things like this, like Abby. Like this. And it's super cool that I can play with it. And we have so much fidget toys. Comment down below if you have fidget toys. If you don't have fidget toys, then that's okay.
If you have fidget toys, and if you want fidget toys, and you don't have fidget toys, just give this a big thumbs up.
Yeah, but I got these for my birthday, right, Auntie?
Yes. Okay, my turn. So this is called the infinity cube. So you can turn it into a cube, anything. That it's super nice and to play with. So yeah.
Hey, no fair. You got 2 of those. That's no fair. I don't have 1 of those.
Okay, Charlotte, your turn.
So I have this, and you can
It's
also
color
do
Rubik's cube.
color Rubik's cube, and you can also do this, guys. Look.
Okay, my turn to show. So I got black marble mesh. I know it looks like darker black, but in the video, but it's actually light black. So yeah. Okay, Shot's turn.
I have this measure, and
This is another marble mesh.
yeah.
I'll give you my green marble mesh if you give me the purple marble mesh. Okay. Okay, Charlotte has the purple mesh. I got the purple marble mesh. And Charlotte has a pink marble mesh and the marble mesh. And I have a wacky track, which is orange and blue. Okay, your turn. Wait, no. You should. Oh, wait, I showed. Okay, then your turn.
So I have this, and it's super cool. This is a purple monkey noodle, and it's super cool, and you can also stretch it like the same thing, and yeah.
Okay, so this is a cube ball, but it's actually a puzzle ball. So yeah, you put the balls to anywhere. You push it like this to any hole that is empty. But there's colors around this and the color ball, so you have to match that. Your turn.
So I have this another monkey noodle, and this is the same thing.
It's neon orange.
It's an orange monkey noodle.
Hey, I don't have an orange monkey noodle. You have 2.
And also I can stretch it like the same thing.
Like
and
the
yeah.
other monkey noodles. Okay.
Hey, go get that!
I know. So there's this. Oh, excuse you. Okay. So there's this puzzle ball that I don't really like, and it's hard to get connected. So that's why I'm gonna throw it.
I want to.
No, because it's hard to get it on.
What is this?
I don't know. Don't take that part. Okay, your turn while Oh yeah.
They have one more monkey noodle, and it's blue. A monkey noodle, and it's super cool, and yeah.
Okay. So this is the star. I don't really know what this is. I think this is a puzzle too, but I don't want to take it apart. But it's a nice looking star. Then I have this math equations ball. And
I want to feel. Hey, no fair. I don't have one of these.
We are gonna do a trading. Okay, never mind. We're not gonna do trading. Okay, and then I have neon orange monkey noodle, blue monkey noodle, a marble maze, a green monkey noodle, and a purple monkey noodle. And I also have mochis, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Peace out.